Do.
Say okay.
Okay. Oh, Sophie. Grab by both hands and put it there, and then we'll wash your hands. Right, we need one more.
Okay. Lobster.
Not a lobster,
A crab.
but a crab. but a crab.
Put your oatmeal in the bowl. Yeah, sprinkle it in the bowl, and then mix it up. Sprinkle it in, then mix it up.
I can live in my pizza.
What are you making, Noah?
Pizza.
Is that pizza?
Yeah.
Is it? Oh, yours looks like maybe it could possibly be pizza, Micah. And look at mine. Okay. Oh, Noah. Oh, man.
So now, I'm going to be throwing...
What did you make tonight?
Pizza.
Hattie Kate, what did you do? Stop!
No more baggies.
No, go like this. Okay?
Kim, why'd you forget?
Oh, you're the